I want to talk about Roblox. The recent IPO stock just got analyst upgrades pretty much from every large investment bank out there. Now, let's first talk about this process, shall we? The stock went public. It IPO'd around $45, but it started trading that day, I want to say in the mid 60s to 70s. And that's where it's currently at, about $70 per share. So they can finally have analyst coverage on the stock. So this is what you have to realize. These investment banks, they take these stocks public, right? So they IPO, so they get in early, they sell to the public at about a 50% premium, right? So the insiders sell, you, me, and everyone else around here, we can buy at a 50% premium, okay, to what everyone else got in at. Then, after a couple weeks, the analysts can finally start doing coverage on the stock. So obviously, if they took the stock public, they want to IPO it at a premium price. They want to get the price to the moon, as high as possible, right? So all the insiders and themselves can make a lot of money. So today, the first day they can initiate coverage, almost every analyst came out with a buy, overweight, all that fun stuff, raising price targets. You have Jim Cramer talking, buy it for your kids, buy this social media video game name for your grandkids, and if it goes down, buy more. What's crazy is one of the insiders of the company, when the stock went public, he even said, hey, this valuation is insane, I'm selling. He said, the insider said he's selling, and he said he would not be a buyer at these elevated prices. But yet everyone else, right, Wall Street, the crooks, are telling you to buy this stock while everyone else in the know is selling. When will this party end? I mean, it is just insane. People don't even know what they're buying here. And if the people who got in early at $45 or below, imagine the private market. I'm sure they were trading at $10, $20, $5 a share. People were buying it. And now they're selling to you. And now they're telling you to buy it because the stock still has upside. It is just unreal. And the process, it just won't end. It happens every time with one of these big IPOs. And if you think about the IPO market right now, you know, what are the recent IPOs we've had? Not anything major. So this is, you know, kind of Wall Street's new darling to pump up. You know what this reminds me of, actually? The cola. Remember NKLA, where Morgan Stanley and all these investment banks were raising price targets to 75 to 90 on the electric truck company, even though it never had a truck and the CEO was a crook and it was accused of fraud and everything like that. Just be careful when you buy and chase these new IPOs. Let me know what you think. Let me know how this process can be fixed. It saddens my heart to read this news in the morning on a Monday when people are eager to trade, because you know retail investors and traders are going to buy the stock, and then in either a few weeks or a few months, the stock's going to be cut in half and people are going to cry and Wall Street's going to profit from you.